Hello to all my dear students and my friends. I, SK Chobe, welcome you all on your YouTube channel English Tycoon, where you get complete package of English academic and spoken English classes. Dear, this video I'm making for the class 12th students who has passed out recently class 11th and they are missing their school because they are after 11 they were not able to go to school. Dear, yes, everybody is missing their school, but we also have to utilize our time. We have also to cover up our syllabus of next class, means of class 12th. So in this video I'm going to tell you about your syllabus of English literature and its book plus grammar section, which we have to cover in coming month, and we have to get ready for the coming board exam. Dear, so dear friends, let's see the chapter books and syllabus of class 12 which you have to study in this session for the board exam. Books and syllabus. See, this is the division of the mark of your paper. See, your question paper will be divided into three sections. Section A, that is reading, it is called comprehension and unseat passage. This is section contain, it is of 20 marks. Section B, writing skill and grammar, this is of 30 marks, and section C, literature, 30 marks. So these 30 and 20 become 80 marks. So your theory paper will be of 80 marks. Now remaining 20 is in your teachers and your school hand internal assessment. They will take your listening and speaking test. On account of your performance in that, they will give you the remaining 20 marks. So total 100 marks paper, 80 theory and 20 internal. So let's see the book name. First is Flamingo. It is a book that contains both story and poem. Total number of chapter 14. Vista, total number of chapter is 8. Now grammar. For grammar there is no foundation. You can take any book or you can take that book which your teacher prefer or tell you, but that should contain all the topic which is in your syllabus. So let's see the chapter one by one. Flamingo approach. First chapter is the last lesson. Second chapter, last spring. Chapter number 3, deep water. Chapter number 4, the rat trap. Chapter number 5, indigo. Chapter number 6, poet and pancake. Chapter number 7, the interview. Chapter number 8, going places. So these are the 8 chapter, story chapter. Now see the Flamingo poem. Number 1, my mother's at 66. This is a poem dedicated by a daughter to her mother. Chapter number 2, an elementary school classroom in the slum. This poem is dedicated to the condition of the poor people who live in a slum area and their children. Chapter number 3, keeping quiet. Chapter number 4, a thing of beauty. Chapter number 5, a roadside stand. Roadside stand is a poem that tell about those shops which are just beside the road and their condition and people reaction towards them. Chapter number 6, Aunt Jennifer Tiger. This poem is dedicated to female and their condition. So these are the poem. Now see the Vista, chapter number 1, third level, very thrilling story, and in one time you are not able to understand this story. You have to read 2 times at least. Chapter number 2, the Tiger King, very funny story. It is about a king who is known as a Tiger King. Why he has been called Tiger King, and it is all about chapter. Chapter number 3, the enemy. It is about the enemy, and it is also very nice chapter, interesting as well. Chapter number 4, journey to the end of the earth. Chapter number 5, should wizard hid mummy. It is about a wizard. Chapter number 6, on the face of it. Chapter number 7, events tries and O level. It is about a thief, how he planned to escape from the prison. It is all about that. Interesting story it is also. Chapter number 7 is also interesting. Chapter number 8, see, memories of the childhood. So these are the chapters. Now grammar, as I told you, the book is not fixed. You can take any one which contain all the topic which I am going to tell you. So topic which are included in the class 12 CBSE syllabus are given below. Number 1, notice writing. Number 2, advertisement writing. Number 3, poster making or writing, same thing. Chapter or topic number 4, invitation writing and replies, writing of invitation reply. Both means you will get question to write an invitation, and you can also get a question that write a reply of an invitation. So both we have to practice. Letter writing, formal, informal. 6, topic article writing. It is a long composition. 7 number speech writing, also long writing. 8, debate writing. 9 is report writing, and 10 is comprehension. And comprehension means first question of your question paper, unseen passage. There will be 2 unseen passage. One based on one will contain optional question and one line answer type question, and second comprehension will be note making. You have to make note and short summary writing base. So these 2 are also, both are comprehension. So these are the total chapter of grammar which we have to study. The end of syllabus. This is all your class 12 syllabus. Dear students, I hope that now you have got the syllabus of your class 12 English subject, and now you have fully understood that what are the chapter you have to study in class 12 and from literature, and which book you have to study in English, and what are the chapter of the grammar that we have to cover up in English. So dear students, your class 12, each chapter of grammar and literature will be explained by me. I am going to put the video on each in coming days, and so please do like and subscribe the video so that you can get notification of my videos and you can watch it clearly.